Class, many students argue about this question. Some say 1, others say 4. Let's solve it together and see who is correct. Question: 14 divided by 7, 1 plus 1, equals. Options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 8. Pause the video before answer reveal. Now some students think like this. 7 times 2 equals 14. And 14 divided by 14 equals 1. They group 7 times 2 together first. But class, there is no bracket around it, so this is not correct. Correct solution. First, we don't panic. We simply follow the rules of BODMAS. B for brackets, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Step 1. Start with the bracket. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now rewrite the question. 14 divided by 7 times 2. Step 2. Look at division and multiplication. Class, remember, division and multiplication have the same priority, so we solve from left to right, not randomly. Step 3. Solve from left to right. First, 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Good. Now continue. 2 times 2. Final answer equals 4. Always remember, brackets first, then multiply and divide from left to right. Follow the rule, and you'll never be confused. Thumbs up.